What happens when Nikon and RED, two giants of imaging, decide to merge their strengths? You get a cinema camera that could rewrite the rules for the price of a mid-range DSLR. Filmmakers, this one's going to stop you in your tracks. Today, I'm going to reveal a camera that brings Hollywood-level color science, 6K RAW recording, and pro-grade dynamic range at just $2199.95. And by the end of this video, you'll see why the Nikon ZR isn't just another release, it might be the breakthrough indie filmmakers have been waiting for. Let's rewind for a second. RED, founded by James Jannard, the same mind behind Oakley, revolutionized digital cinema. Their cameras shot blockbusters, documentaries, and music videos with unmatched clarity and color science. Then, in 2024, Nikon acquired RED, a bold move that had filmmakers wondering, what's next? Now we have the answer, the Nikon ZR, a 24.5 megapixel full-frame mirrorless cinema camera purpose-built for storytelling. On paper, it looks like a filmmaker's Swiss Army knife. It records up to 6K at 60 frames per second in 12-bit RED code RAW, the exact same codec RED cameras use. That means seamless post-production, whether you're cutting indie projects or mixing with high-end RED footage. Dynamic range, over 15 stops. Stabilization, up to 7.5 stops. Autofocus, AI-driven with the reliability Nikon Z-mount shooters already trust. Filmmakers can dial shutter angles from 5.6 degrees all the way to 360 degrees, while photographers get speeds as fast as 1/16,000th of a second. Audio isn't an afterthought either. The ZR features Nokia OZO spatial sound for immersive three-dimensional recordings. And it's all packed inside a rugged magnesium alloy body, compact and lightweight at just over a pound. Pair it with CF Express Type B or micro SD cards, and you're looking at 125 minutes of continuous recording. Not to mention a 4-inch 1000-nit LCD with waveform and histogram tools built to keep you dialed in on set. So, what's the catch? There really isn't one. The Nikon ZR launches this October at $2199.95, making it one of the most accessible cinema cameras to ever carry RED's legendary DNA. For indie filmmakers, content creators, and even professionals who want a compact B-cam that integrates with RED workflows, this could be a game changer. And here's the big question. Is this the moment Nikon takes over the cinema space? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you're excited about the ZR, hit subscribe because I'll be diving deep into real-world tests the moment this camera ships.